Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Commissioner of Internal Revenue versus Court of Tax Appeals, G.R. number 106611. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on July 21, 1994. Let's dive right into it. Facts. The petitioner, Commissioner of Internal Revenue, Sir, denied the claim for refund filed by the private respondent, City Trust Banking Corporation, City Trust, for the excess of its carried over total quarterly payments over the actual income tax due. City Trust filed a petition for review with the Court of Tax Appeals, CTA, which granted the petition and ordered the SIR to refund the excess amount. The SIR appealed the CTA decision to the Supreme Court. Issue: whether the CTA erred in granting City Trust claim for refund. Ruling: the Supreme Court affirmed the CTA decision. The court held that the SIR failed to prove that City Trust was not entitled to the refund. The court also found that the SIR was negligent in its handling of the case, as it failed to provide the CTA with all the necessary records. Rationale: the court held that the SIR's failure to prove that City Trust was not entitled to the refund was fatal to its case. The court also found that the SIR's negligence in its handling of the case was inexcusable, as it prejudiced the government's financial position. Significance: this case is significant because it sets a precedent on the importance of proof in tax refund cases. The court also emphasized the need for government agencies to be diligent in the handling of tax cases, as any negligence on their part can prejudice the government's financial position. Conclusion: the Supreme Court affirmed the CTA decision and ordered the SIR to refund the excess amount to City Trust. The court also found that the SIR was negligent in its handling of the case, and that this negligence prejudiced the government's financial position. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.